All right, multiplying fractions. We just looked at multiplying fractions by whole numbers. Now we're looking at multiplying two fractions together, which is basically the same thing as multiplying fractions by whole numbers, but instead of a 1 on the bottom, we're going to have a different number on the bottom. So let's start with something easy. So I've got 2/3 times 1/4. Well, multiplying fractions is nice and easy because unlike adding fractions where you had to do this whole change, make sure the denominator is the same and change them so they have a common denominator, multiplying fractions, really straightforward. You just multiply them straight across. So we look at the top and we go 2 times 1, that's 2, 3 times 4, that's 12, and then we reduce it. So let's see, that would be how many times can I divide 2 and 12 to get a reduced fraction? That's going to be 1/6. I'm done. That's it. That was the whole fraction. Let's look at another one. 1/5 times 4/6. All right, so I'm going to show you this time the rewriting it. Sometimes people like to do this, rewrite it as 1 times 4 over 5 times 6. Now, why do we care about sometimes rewriting it? Because sometimes we need to be able to reshuffle things and move things around so that we can see what can go together and how we can move things. So if we look at it this way, same idea, 1 times 4 is 4, 5 times 6 is 30. Can I reduce these? Sure, why not? 30 divided by 2, 15. 4 divided by 2 is 2. That's as reduced as I can get it. I'm all finished. Next time we're going to look at cross-reducing, which will make it a little bit faster to get to that reduced final form.